Thank you for the invitation. The title of my talk is Rapid Knowledge Growth and Institutions of Higher Learning. Lewis Carroll in his Alice in Wonderland said, "If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there." What is the main driving force of the future of education? Fundamentally, it is the exponentially growing scientific discovery and knowledge. Some of the results of this phenomenon are knowledge fragmentation due to rapid knowledge growth, massive skills specialization, and ever more narrow career niches. Knowledge and careers are also being impacted by rapidly changing business models, increased volatility in industry, shortened careers, emergence of new industries, knowledge obsolescence, and the emergence of new careers. What is really driving rapid knowledge growth and its big impact on education? We are witnessing in the world today a dramatic increase in global connectivity. The minds of people around the world have been virtually connected, and the outcome is dramatic. For instance, the amount of medical knowledge doubles every 8 years. Furthermore, half of what engineering students learn during their first year is obsolete or revised by the time they graduate. Hence, universities need to teach students how to continue to absorb new knowledge in their future. The rapid rate of knowledge growth is leading to rapid career change. Hence, the Australian observation that 65% of children in preschool will be employed in roles and jobs that don't exist today. The new generation needs a mindset that involves adaptability, flexibility, and constant change. It is predicted that workers of the future will change jobs 19 times during their lives. And parallel careers will become the norm as people extract themselves from professions that are becoming extinct. This quote is from the Daily Telegraph. Universities need to provide the skill of just-in-time knowledge. 2 decades ago, there were relatively few technology graduates from Chinese and Indian universities, yet those countries now individually award more science and technology degrees per annum than America. The challenge for institutions of higher learning is how to change their ingrained thinking, behavior, structure, and outcomes to adapt to this reality. How can universities become entrepreneurial? It is only the enterprising academic that can stimulate cultural change to encourage innovation and learning across the university. This process needs organizational, pedagogical, systematic, and behavioral changes and involves, as a minimum, the development of a modified curriculum and innovative teaching and learning methods. But, in addition, it needs to fund projects for student and community entrepreneurship, practice-based research, and the formation of networks of educators, practitioners, and mentors. The significance of the values, skills, and methods of an entrepreneurial teaching team are crucial factors in the cultural change process and in addressing the inevitable conflict with the base culture. The breakthroughs in new information and communication technologies will further change the way knowledge is developed, acquired, and delivered. New technologies offer opportunities to innovate on course content and teaching methods and to widen access to higher learning. However, new information technology does not reduce the need for teachers but changes their role in relation to the learning process, and that the continuous dialogue that converts information into knowledge and understanding becomes fundamental. Higher education institutions should be the lead in making use of all the advantages and potential of new information and communication technologies by first creating new learning environments ranging from distance education facilities to complete virtual higher education institutions and systems capable of bridging distances and developing high-quality systems of education. Second, adapting information and communication technologies to national and local needs and securing technical, educational, management, and institutional systems to sustain it. Thirdly, closely following the evolution of the knowledge society in order to ensure high quality and equitable regulations. Therefore, higher education institutions should educate highly qualified graduates and responsible citizens by offering high-level knowledge and skills using courses and content continually tailored to the present and future needs of society. Provide opportunities for best quality learning, endogenous capacity building, and for sustainable development. Advance, create, and disseminate knowledge through research and provide relevant expertise to assist the society in cultural, social, and economic development, promoting and developing scientific and technological research. Help protect and enhance social values by training young people in the basics of democratic citizenship and by providing critical perspectives to help them evaluate and develop strategic options for their future careers as well as for the advancement of the nation and the world. Contribute to the development and improvement of education at all levels by retraining teachers, if necessary, to promote interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary innovation. Ensure that all members engaged in research are provided with appropriate training, resources, and support. Enhance research in all disciplines, including social and human sciences, engineering, natural sciences, mathematics, informatics, and arts. Find the material and financial support required from both public and private sources. Strengthen and renew the links between higher education, the market, and society in the current modern economies, which is mainly based on knowledge and its application and on the handling of information. Ensure the participation of the representatives of the market in the governance of institutions through increased use of domestic and international apprenticeship or work-study opportunities for students and teachers, exchange of personnel between the industries and higher educational institutions, and revise curricula more closely aligned with working practices. Update and recycle higher education by systematically taking into account trends in the market and industry and in the scientific, technological, and economic sectors, thus contributing to the creation of new jobs. Develop entrepreneurial skills and initiative in order to facilitate employability of graduates who will increasingly be called upon to be not only job seekers, but also, and above all, to become job creators. Create and update higher education with a new vision of paradigm, which should be student-oriented, calling for in-depth reform and its contents, methods, practices, and means of delivery based on new types of links and partnerships with the community and with the broadest sector of society. Educate students to become well-informed and deeply motivated citizens who can think critically, analyze problems, look for solutions to the problems, and apply them with the full knowledge of national and social responsibilities. Recast curricula using new and appropriate methods so as to go beyond cognitive mastery of disciplines. Use new pedagogical and didactical approaches in order to facilitate the acquisition of skills, competencies, and abilities for communication, creative and critical analysis, independent thinking, and teamwork, where creative also involves combining traditional or local knowledge and know-how with advanced sciences and technologies.